It has been 3 years since pharmacist Evelyn Catignas left her job to start her own pharmacy. Despite the seasonal ups and downs of her business, she is optimistic about the new government.
Kaya gumaganda. Unlike nung mga past few years, bumabagsak tataas.
Within 2 years, Catignas hopes to turn in a profit from her 350,000 peso investment. She's just hoping President Rodrigo Duterte would cut the cost and processing time of getting permits for small businesses like hers.
Mas gusto ko sana yung tutukan niya ng pansin yung mga sa permit. Medyo malaki yung mga ginagastos namin.
Economic and political analysts are generally optimistic about Mr. Duterte's plans for the economy.
Duterte is bringing something that is not there during the last 30 years.
However, they say the president needs to further elaborate on his programs in his first State of the Nation address. The Duterte administration is challenged to sustain the high economic growth rates achieved by former President Aquino.
So we can actually grow 8 to 10 to 12% if we wanted to.
Among the proposals to continue the growth momentum are to increase the accessibility of SMEs to credit and lower business cost. SM Investments Investor Relations Head Cora Guidote says these would help provide a level playing field for both domestic and foreign investors. On the macro level, Guidote suggests the government also hike its infrastructure spending to speed up the delivery of goods and boost the mobility of SMEs.
The government should spend every centavo on the budget.
Evelyn is looking forward to expanding her business and setting up a small branch in 5 years. She sees a bright future ahead of her, but understands that a lot more needs to be done, both by her and the government. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.